shame. But no matter where I'm going, a black mark follows me. I'm branded with a number on my name. I'd like to hold my head up and be proud of who I am, but they won't let my secret go untold. I paid the debt I owe them, but they're still not satisfied. Now I'm a branded man out in the cold. If I live to be 100, I guess I'll never clear my name. 'Cause everybody knows I've been in jail. No matter where I'm living, I gotta tell them where I've been. Or they'll send me back to prison if I fail. I like to hold my head up and be proud of who I am, but they won't let my secret go untold. I paid the debt I owe them, but they're still not satisfied. Now I'm a branded man out in the cold.
Yeah, man, Merle Haggard. I just put his picture up today. We're slowly but surely getting the place in shape around here. Paul,
Yes, sir.
sounding good, man.
Carmine.
How's it going?
It's going good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we had a fun show last week, our 50-year anniversary show.
50 anniversary. We had JD here.
Yeah,
So
JD
great.
did a great job, and Bart came up.
Yeah.
Was he here last week? Did he sing? Yeah, you sang that. You sang. Bart's our guest artist this week.
Bart's our guest artist this
He
week.
is. Bart's our guest artist.
I love
And-
Bart.
And he's off camera waiting. He can hardly wait to get up here. You know.
Well, he's got the shirt for it.
He always
that's the important
dresses
thing.
great. When you see this, folks, you're not going to believe it. But Bart's great, and he sang a really cool song
Last week.
week. He
I wish I could remember what it was.
Well,
Remind me.
I remember some of it, and it was middle of the road, medium speed, nice, and it was just a good song,
Oh, all right.
great song. I don't know.
Maybe he'll do it again today.
I hope he does.
Or maybe he's got a different one lined up.
Well, it might be better.
He's got a feather in his cap. I can see
I
that.
can see that. There's this guitar and amp, and that's a beautiful guitar.
It's a beautiful.
Yeah, it's a good.
I hear it weighs about 50 pounds too, right? Is that right,
I
Bart?
don't, does it weigh that much?
14 and a half.
Oh well, I don't know what this weighs.
That's probably 9.
I don't know. I never, you know, I got quite a few guitars. I never weighed
You
any
never-
of them.
Never weighed him.
Never weighed them yet. And we got Gary Swan back on keyboards. You were nice enough to come up last week and do a couple of songs with us, and then of course Kurt Fries put it in. carried the rest of the show for us, and he's a lot of fun to work with. Deanna was up here singing. We had a good time. Okay, so we're right next door to Bob Smith Toyota.
Yeah, they miss us, don't they?
I think they do.
I think they do
And
too.
we're here at Sardo's upholstery, Carmine's upholstery shop. And I just finished a Mercedes job that just, it was good. It was okay, but it was work. But we got it done.
But you know, we used to tell people to come by Bob Smith and get their cars, but now I think we need to tell people to come by Sardo Upholstery and get their upholstery
I
done.
don't know.
You don't have time, do you?
Well, I do, but yeah, okay, do it. If you
All right,
want to.
well, there's one
That's,
pitch.
that's really not why we're here.
I know, but I figured I'd get one plug in for you.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, Swan, you want to do one?
What?
I'd love to. We're gonna
Bob, get ready. You're up next. We'll get you
don't care.
right after this.
I don't care.
I know you don't. I want you to do a song.
My keyboard weighs 20 pounds.
Do it while I'm still in tune.
I was gonna say, when they bring those guitars through customs, that's when they get weighed. Merle Haggard tune. I haven't done this since 1842. Today I started loving you. Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heart ache me.
we nailed it. Well, he nailed it. We just kind of played along to it. Good job, Gary.
Very soulful, Gary.
Okay, now we can get the
Pretty
show
cool.
going. Bart, come on up. Does that thing light up? Can you plug that shirt in somewhere? And
No, but I got a guitar that lights up. I didn't bring it today.
Well, bring it next time you play here with us.
Yeah. Don't be holding out on
Hold
us.
that a second. Just shut it.
We want a guitar
Oh,
that
my
lights
God.
up.
Yeah, that's a little. It's definitely heavier than mine. It kind of feels like the weight of like a car jack.
Hey, Plummer, he's gonna be stepping on my cord.
I don't think so.
Well,
I know it's there.
Well, I have to worry about it, but just click my mic. You were mentioning his feather,
Duck.
which is macaroni. Are you familiar with the term
Yes,
macaroni?
I am. When I was a kid, Mama used to make a macaroni.
Macaroni.
Yeah.
My feather's not. Come on.
Well, it unplugged right there. The plug's there.
Back in the day, that was considered hip. It's quite macaroni.
Little technical difficulties.
Oh, no, that comes with a guitar.
I'm still down at Knott's Berry Farm for I think about the next 2 weeks, and then I think I'm off like a couple of months. They bring this other band in for most of end of May and June and July. Then I go back around August. Are we okay?
Yeah, I just was going to mention it. My feather is not macaroni. My feather is Mac Davis.
I heard they're getting rid of the country western and bringing in porpoises. Is that true?
Oh, it could be. Yeah, that's what I heard. Okay, what do we got?
Well, hey, let's do a little old song that Gary wrote a while back called Honey Don't.
Yeah.
And key of E for excellence.
Come, you say you will and you won't. You do it when you don't. Let me know, honey, how you feel. Tell the truth now, is love real? Well, honey, don't. Honey, don't. Honey, don't.
guitar loses his hat, you know he's given 110%, maybe 111.
Well, I'm going to say one thing about him losing his hat.
Tell me
At least
something.
when he loses it, he's got hair. in
He's
his
got
hat.
hair under there.
Which means a lot. Because there are some of us that we don't want to lose
You're
our
not
hat.
kidding.
Well, the people that knew me 20 years ago say, "What happened to your hair? It's gone."
Oh, yeah, a lot more than that, I bet. Oh, really? Well, all right, so the other guest artist, so we're going to work you a little bit. So do one more.
Not cheese. All right. How about bring it on down to my house
Okay.
in the lovely key of C for carbonation. Okay. 1, 2. Bring it on down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home but me. Bring it on down to my house, honey. I need your company. Cat sitting on the railroad tracks. They hollering at the mama cat, she answered back. Bring it on down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home but me. Go, Gary! Bring it on down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home but me. Bring it on down to my house, honey. I need your company. Tomcat sitting on the railroad tracks. He hollered at the mama cat, she took back. Bring it on down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home but Carmine. Bring it on back over to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home but just me. Bring it down to my house, honey. I need your company. Say, old man, can you play the fiddle? Ah, crack his eye, play a fiddle. Bring it on down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home. Bring it on down to my house, honey. I need your company. I do. Bring it on down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home but me. Hey, Carmine, here at the shack. I hope you'll be here again. Come back. Down to my house, honey.
That's another way to end it.
That's the alternate ending there.
That's a good ending.
I like my
That was
honky
great,
tonk
Bart.
band.
I love that song.
That's a good song. Who did that song?
Us.
We did, I know. But who did it originally?
That's Bob Wills.
Bob Wills. Wow.
You had his picture up before, but I guess he didn't make the cut this
No,
time.
not this week. Maybe next week. All right, play a little rhythm with us. We'll have Paul do another one. I won't ask you to get down yet. Stick around. Go ahead.
I want me to do one? Okay.
Yeah.
I just need a little help here
Help with what?
with this.
Oh, okay. Well,
Otherwise, I won't remember it.
well, we got to remember the words. You know, I've been working on a song for like 2 years, and I keep forgetting the words. So I haven't sung it yet. F.
Before the next teardrop falls. One, two. If he brings you happiness, then I wish you all the best. It's your happiness that matters most of all. But if he ever breaks your heart, if the teardrops ever start, I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I'll be there anytime you need me by your side to drive away any teardrop that you cry. And if he ever makes you blue, just remember I love you. I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Gary Swan. Though it hurts to let you go, darling, I want you to know that I'll stand by you if ever you should call. And if I should ever hear that he made you shed a tear, well, I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I'll be there anytime you need me by your side to drive away any teardrop that you cry. And if he ever leaves you blue, just remember I love you, and I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I'll be there before the next teardrop falls.
Time we've done that, I
Thank you,
think.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
That's a good song.
Good song.
Freddie Fender.
It's a good
You got one? Bart, get ready. You up next.
That's a great song.
That is a good song. Freddie Fender, man.
Freddie. We just lost Freddie too.
We did.
Okay, here's the tune by another that's just a great one who went away. You played with him.
You gonna do that Johnny Tillotson
Yeah,
song?
yeah.
Johnny wrote this song. Johnny Tillotson wrote this song, and over 100 artists cut it,
It's
including
it's
Elvis Presley.
it's like a standard.
And
I
well,
mean,
it's
he wrote a
certainly-
great song.
He did, and it's even more of a standard when Gary Swan does it.
Yes, it is.
What key, Gary?
Watch me not do the song. G. No. It's not that one. It's I can't help.
Yeah.
Help me out there. What's first word? Getting old. Getting old, folks.
So normally I'd be saying things like, "We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota," but we're not because we're kind of next door to. Go get the song straight and then we'll do it. So want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to push like and share if you're watching Facebook. If you're on YouTube, push subscribe and like. I think like is there too. I think. Here we go. We got it.
What song is it anyway?
Keeps right on her.
Keep right on it. Great song.
I think it's A, right? Is it A or G? Let's do it in A.
All right, we got the key.
Cry my fill, sleep each night, wishing I could hold you tight. Life seems so empty since you went away. The pillow where you lay your Great song.
I saw him do that live. I saw him do that live when he had, I think John Beelan was playing guitar with him at the Golden Nugget. I was with the Chaparral brothers, and he was kind of headlining
He played the Golden Nugget a lot. I played with him there at the
Did you?
Golden Nugget too. Yeah.
downtown
Several
on
times,
Fremont
many
Street,
times
yeah.
downtown. Yeah.
And we were like opening, and then he did his thing. He was great.
Great singer.
Yep. All right, Bart, what do you got?
Let's do a little Vincent Gill.
Yes, sir.
One more last chance in the key of A for Carmine. Well, she was standing at the front door when I came here last night. A good looking left hand and a moon in the light. She said you come home for the last time with the whiskey on your lip. I even drink. You don't listen to my preaching, boy. I'm gonna have the things I have today. Give me just one more last chance before you say with me. I know I'll be crazy, baby. It's the best that I can do. Making noise when you're running around on you. Just one more last chance before you say with me. Hey, come on, give me a last chance. She hit my glasses, 'cause she knows that I can't see. She said you ain't going nowhere until you spend a little time. Always called from Carmine's place, and there's a party going on today. And somebody hit my glasses, but she forgot about my whole I said, give me just one more last chance before you say that you. I know I got a crazy man, it's the best that I can do. Oh, making noise, running around on you. Just one more last chance before you Just one more last chance before you say it do. Hey, I know I drive you crazy, baby. It's the best that I can do. Take good old boys, making noise, running around on me. Give me just one more last chance before you say it do. Give me just one more last chance.
We have an audience.
Yeah, we do.
Somebody off this.
Audience.
It's singular.
An
so it's-
audience.
Audience, yeah.
Audience.
Well, I mean, the family's here. We have a beautiful young, I think it's a girl, young lady, right? If not, it's a beautiful young man.
If not, my eyes are pretty
Yeah.
bad.
Well, what? What? Yeah. Well, nice to see you again. Where's all your buddies? Well, happy to see you again, darling. Good to see you. Is that you? I think he's being funny. I think he was being funny.
I'm not.
You can't even see what's going on over here.
You guys work out a song. I'm gonna run back behind that set. I forgot to turn something off, and I'll be right back.
Okay, what are we doing?
Whatever you want. I'll be right back. Stick around.
There's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. Here's the keys to the new car in the drive.
Good job there, Gary. Paul,
Yes, sir.
hit us with another one.
Let's do Dark Hollow.
Okay.
A. We'll go all around. One. A.
All
You
around.
kick it off. And 1, 2, 1. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun won't ever shine, than to be in some big city in a small room with a gun on my mind. So blow your whistle for truth, take me farther around the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going away, come on back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun won't ever shine, than to be here alone, knowing that you're gone because we lose my mind. So blow your whistle for truth, take me farther around the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going away, coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun won't ever shine, than to see you and smiling, and know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle for truth, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. So blow your whistle for truth, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Yeah, I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Don't ever play a D minor in that song. I don't know, I heard it somewhere.
All my chords are 18 and older.
Good.
Hey, it could have been me. It was either Dan or I.
Blue, broken
broken hearted me. Holding to me, since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's been broken hearted me. I never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's been broken hearted me. Oh, blue, broken hearted me, holding to memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. I never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue. You're broken hearted me. Sorry. I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. Blue and broken hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's been broken hearted me. Blue and Broken Hearted Me. Gib Gilbo wrote that with a fella. I can't think of the other guy's name, but good song. I'm not sure I'm singing it all the words the way he did. I've got to go back and look at it.
You got a lot of them though.
I keep repeating myself. But we make a song out of it somehow. All right, Bart, do another one.
Alright, well, I was gonna rock that out a little bit, but then I was thinking about, you kept talking about that song that we did last week, and I didn't want to do the same song twice in a row, but neither of you could remember what it was, so I guess it doesn't, it's okay.
Do it again.
Louise in the key of C.
Oh yeah.
Great song, C for Carmine.
Well, you hear the song.
This is an AW song, After Water.
Sorry, folks, but I was thirsty.
It was
that song.
That's a good song. How much?
And you do it very well, Bart.
We got time for one more, so let's have Paul close the show. That's great. Stay right there. Bart, thanks for coming up and having fun with us today, and thank you.
Well, I actually came because I need my my Mercedes upholstered.
Well, come on up, and
I gotta get a Mercedes first.
you might want to get a second job if you're gonna have me do it. But anyway, what do you got?
Let's do Bye Bye Johnny.
Okay, folks, we'll see you next week at 6 o'clock. It's getting a little hot this time of the year, you know, getting a little hot out here, but we're doing okay. And I'm thinking next week will be 6 o'clock. We're gonna leave it at 6 for a while, right? Now that I'm not working at Knott's, there's no sense in is 6 good for you, Paul?
6 is wonderful.
It is. Okay. And you're up in the air still, right? Okay, well, he's not talking right now. Probably thinking about something else. Okay, let's do it.
Do you have the intro on this? I forgot.
Yeah, I think I do. You ready? Is it? Yeah.
Right there.
She drew out all the money from the Southern Trust to put her little boy on the behind us. Leaving Louisiana for the cold west. Out for the kids from the Batteries. Rolling on the song, Johnny B. Good, gonna make a motion picture.
bet Elvis paid him for that
He
too.
did.
Huh.
Good job. Good
Maybe Elvis will pay me.
That
All
was
right.
good idea.
Carmen.
Behind your head, that would show it. That's gonna look
Good,
really
good night, Carmen.